Hello, my name is Donnie Rooney, and I am in the online cell biology course, and the protein that I was assigned with is DNA helicase. Now, this is my scientific journal article video, and I'm just going to describe one of the sources that I plan on using. So, this source, here's where it's talking about DNA helicase in particular, and describes its task. But what I like about this source is it gives an overall picture of all the main proteins that that are used during DNA replication, and it gives sort of an overall, I suppose, understanding of the entire function that's going to be going on now. As you'll see down here at the bottom, that the person who uploaded this was Philip McLean, and he did so in 1997. So, what is this article? Is it scientific? It is, and I'm going to go through why it is. So, first off, one thing to notice up here at the top, it is a secure website through North Dakota State University. So, it's sponsored by an educational facility, and so that you know that it's not just some students, undergraduate research stuff. I'm going to go back a couple slides. So first off, now how you get into that site that I was in, it is a sort of lecture material for this intermediate genetics class that is in North Dakota State University. And Philip McLean, the author of that website, up here you'll see he's a professor with a PhD from Colorado State University in 1982, so obviously he's been in the field for a long time, and he's currently employed at North Dakota State University. He gives all this stuff about himself. It doesn't really matter. The point is that he's earned a PhD, and obviously knows what he's talking about, especially to be sponsored by North Dakota State University. Now, so you know that it's North Dakota State University, I went back a little bit further, and best way to do this is up at the top, where you saw the original website title. So basically all I did was I started from the article itself. As you can see, you go through a few different pages and just backtrack. So that's the article, and then this is the different topics that he has for the class, back to the class itself, back to his profile, back to North Dakota State's link, and then North Dakota State in general. So this is a scientific article because it is sponsored by a college, a university, educational university, and I'm sure they would face lots of problems if these were not peer-reviewed and went through the process of being allowed to be posted. And thank you. I hope that this is what you need to understand that this is a scientific article.